Hello everyone. So in this video we'll learn about how we can host our application on ECS cluster and what all we need and how we are going to do that with a live demo. So we'll start with pushing our repository, Docker based repository to ECR, which is Amazon Elastic Container Registry. This is a service which provides us to push our Dockerized images, and this service store and manage our images easily. Then for this, let's start with creating our repository first. Yeah, demo. I'll be keeping all this configuration as disabled for now. I'll change it later if I need, but for this demo I do not need this configuration. So but I'll be explaining about this configuration. So this configuration is needed if is needed if I have to put a restriction as it the tags I would be pushing should be immutable, so that the tags I have pushed could not be overwritten by the by me pushing the tags again. Then this setting is to scan my repository at every push. This scan will check against the vulnerabilities I have in my repository, and the last one is KMS encryption. This is to enable the encryption on my ECR. One more thing, I cannot enable this encryption. I was sorry. I cannot change this encryption after I have enabled or created my repository. So I'll be creating this. Yes, done. It is created, and now I'll push my Docker image to this repository. So before that, we must have our Docker file at our local system. So I have one the simple Docker image which is doing nothing but installing Apache and copying my index.html file to this location, and then exposing the 80 port and starting the HTTPD or Apache at foreground. So let's start with pushing our Docker image to ECR. The simplest way for pushing the Docker image from local to ECR is to follow the commands specified here. And let's start with the command first specified here. Before that, we must notice that it is using the AWS CLI version. So we must have AWS CLI version installed on our local. I am using version number 2. So I recommend you guys to install the version number 2 too, as because this is the latest version at the time of recording this video. If you guys don't have this install, it is very easy to install this CLI version on your system, depending on the system or operating system you guys are using. I'm using Mac right now, so it is very easy to install with a set of commands. So I have already installed it here. Also, one more thing we need is to have our AWS configured with the correct IAM user, which has the add permission for pushing the code or for pushing the Docker images to ECR demo. So I have already configured it. If I show you guys what I have configured, I have already configured with the default access and secret key of the user, which has the permission of pushing the Docker image to this repo. So I'll go with following the commands I have here. So I'll start with logging into the my ECR, and then building my Docker image, and then tagging my Docker image with the latest tag, and then pushing this tag. Okay, so I have pushed the tag here. Let me close it and see if anything is reflected here. Yes, now I can see my the image, Docker image with this URI tag with the latest tag. Next step is to create the cluster. For this demo, I'll be creating. I will not go with the Fargate service. I'll cover it in the next demo or future demo. But in this demo, I'll be covering the ECS with Linux. Linux and networking option only. So for this, I'll see give it a name ECS demo. I'll be using on-demand instance T2 micro because this will be covered in your free tier limit. I'm using that free tier limit. Number of instances, I'll say I'll be going with the number one as a number of instances with one. I Amazon Linux 2, the number of volume size as 30. I'll keep it as default. I have one key pair available as Drupal hacks EC2. I'll be using that only. um, VPC, I'll be using the default one I have right now. Subnets configured all three I have, and then keep these information configuration as the default one. Use subnet setting for auto assigning public IP. Security group, I have one security group, generic EC2 security group defined, but I'll go with the creating a new security group, and with keeping this inbound route to rule to this for everyone, this port open for anywhere or and everyone. And I'll go with it container instance IAM role as create new role, keeping this disabled CloudWatch container inside. Let's wait for a while. It should be done. Okay, it is done. I have my cluster here. It is showing as 0 EC2 000, but it should show, it will start showing the, okay. Okay, so in the next video we will create the task definition, as this video will, the length of this video would go more than I have expected. So I'll cover this task definition in the next video, and then we'll create the service here. So okay, let's do this in the next video.